Today my topic is personal finance. So, what is personal finance? Does anybody know what is personal finance? Nobody knows. So basically, personal finance is managing your money on day-to-day basis in a correct way. Managing your money in a such a way that you don't go bankrupt. Managing your money in a correct way that you can get returns on your investment. So from where you can learn about personal finance? You can learn about personal finance from various books, self-help books, from various courses, from your teachers, from your even from your company, from where you are working. And personal finance also gives us freedom to explore life, to travel. So what we should do in personal finance, what we should don't do. So the things we should do in personal finance is invest. We should not spend our money in a bad way. But personal finance, the main thing personal finance teaches us is to invest. Invest in various kind of assets in the market, like in stock market, in real estate market, in gold market, in bond market. So if you want to learn personal finance, you should become expert in financial markets, in real estate sector, in gold sector, in bond sector. Personal finance encourages us to teach others to about it. It gives us freedom, not physically, ultimately. A lot of people just worry about money. At the end of a day, person who is doing job, he don't know how to spend, he don't know how to invest his money. So at the end of the month, he's worried because his wallet is empty. He don't know from where he will get money. But if you learn about personal finance, if you have knowledge about how to invest, you will get returns on investment. So you can buy liability after purchasing assets. So does anyone know what is asset and liability? Does anyone know?
Liability is
What is
the
asset?
and liability is the responsibility.
Okay. Let me clear it. Asset is a thing that you own, that you possess, like gold. Asset is a thing that you own, that you have ownership right on it. And liability is a responsibility that you have to pay. Like let's suppose you have taken loan from the bank, and then it is your liability to repay the loan. It's called the liability. An asset, like you have a gold, you own that gold. You have the ownership right for that asset. That you can go in the market, sell it, and receive money in exchange of it. It is an asset. So in personal finance, we should buy assets and eliminate liability. We should not buy liabilities. So right now I'm 19. So I'm learning about personal finance. I'm also doing some side assets, some side businesses, also investing my money in various kind of assets. So does anyone tell me what is your first? Has anyone have experience about their asset? Someone has purchased any kind of asset here?
Yes,
What kind of asset you have purchased?
phone.
Your phone. So according to you, your phone is your asset. So how it's an asset for you?
Because they just purchase in my own money.
So there's a most popular book in the market that is called Rich Dad Poor Dad. In that,
What?
Rich Dad Poor Dad is the most popular book in the market. So in that book, the author says that asset is a thing that adds money to you, that helps you to make money, and liability is a thing that take out money from your
Take out
pocket. So if you are saying that phone is an asset, according to him, phone is not an asset because you are paying electricity bill, you are paying screen guard, you are paying back cover expenses. If your screen break down, you repair it. But let's suppose you bought a phone, rent that phone to someone else, and you are getting rent on that phone. That is known as asset. Then that is known as your asset. Otherwise, it's a liability for you.
Okay.
Okay, so what the approach is, why personal finance is necessary in today's world? Today's world is really complicated, and we don't have power, physically muscular power to go, do so much work on day-to-day basis and earn that kind of money to, sustain such kind of lifestyle. Let's suppose you want to buy a Mercedes. Nowadays, a Mercedes car costs around 50 lakhs. So how is possible for you, you are just going to a job where you will, earning around 80,000 rupees a month, and at the end of year you will make 9.6 lakh. So it will, It will take maybe 5 to 6 years to earn that kind of money. So, but if you know you are making 80,000 rupees, then you invest 20,000 rupees on regular month on any kind of asset, you will get some profits, and from your returns you will able to buy that Mercedes car. Not even after 5 years, maybe 10 years, but you are able from you generate money from your passive income. So that's all concept about
Personal finance.
So some books that I recommend you to learn about personal finance is first just that Poor Dad, The Richest Man in Babylon, about some stock markets book like Indian Investor, and common stock, uncommon stocks. We will know real estate markets, bonds, how bonds work, what is debentures, why bonds are better than FD, what is SGB, stuff like that. That's it. Thank you.
Thank you.